Welcome to Review Lab. The best Moka Pot Gasket is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for any coffee lover who cherishes the rich, robust flavor brewed by their trusty Moka pot, ensuring a perfect seal every time to prevent those precious aromatic oils and steam from escaping, which is crucial for achieving that authentic Italian espresso-style coffee that awakens your senses and starts your day right. Number 5. Bialetti Moka Express 6-Cup Replacement Filter and Gaskets. Ensure your Bialetti Moka Express continues to brew perfect coffee. This replacement kit is designed specifically for the 6-cup model. This package contains 3 essential gaskets and 1 filter. These are crucial components for maintaining your coffee maker's performance. With an outside diameter of 278 inches, these parts are made to fit your 6-cup Moka Express precisely. Trust in the quality of authentic Bialetti parts. They are designed to ensure the best brewing experience. Enjoy peace of mind with our satisfaction guarantee. We stand behind the quality and performance of these replacement parts. What we like. This is the authentic choice for your Bialetti Moka Express. It comes with 3 gaskets and a filter, ensuring you have spares. If you own the 6-cup Bialetti Moka Express and want guaranteed compatibility and quality, this is the one to get. What people say. The gasket is a perfect fit for my Moka pot. It creates a tight seal, preventing any leaks during brewing. The material feels durable and should last a long time. Number 4. Bialetti Moka Express Replacement Parts, 3/4 cups. Keep your beloved Moka Express brewing perfectly with these genuine replacement parts. This kit ensures you can continue enjoying delicious coffee for years to come. This essential set includes 3 rubber gaskets and 1 metal filter. These are the key components to ensure a proper seal and optimal coffee extraction. Designed to fit a wide range of Bialetti Stovetop coffee makers. It's compatible with models like Moka Express, Fiametta, Break, and many more, specifically for the 3/4 cup sizes. To guarantee the best performance, we recommend measuring your old gasket before purchasing. The outer diameter of the included gasket is 65 mm or 2.55 inches. Don't let worn-out parts affect your morning ritual. Replacing the gasket and filter is a simple way to restore your coffee maker's functionality and brew quality. These parts are designed for straightforward installation, allowing you to quickly get back to brewing your favorite coffee. Enjoy the authentic Italian coffee experience without any hassle. What we like. This set offers broad compatibility with several Bialetti models, including Fiametta and Rainbow. It includes 3 gaskets and a filter. If you're unsure about your specific model or want a versatile option for smaller Bialetti pots, make sure to measure your old gasket first. What people say. The old gasket was quite distressed. Excellent genuine quality, helped fix my Bialetti. 1 little plate is included, because those eventually wear out too. They're easy to replace to eliminate leakage. These parts work perfectly, they fit as they are supposed to, no complaints. Number 3. Bialetti Moka Espresso Maker Replacement Parts, 1 cup. Ensure your Bialetti Moka pot brews perfectly every time with genuine replacement parts. This kit is designed for your 1-cup espresso maker. Specifically designed for 1-cup Moka Express, Break, Dama, Fiametta, Happy, Mini Express, and Rainbow models. Get a reliable seal for optimal brewing. This essential set comes with 3 durable gaskets and 1 filter. It's everything you need to maintain your espresso maker's performance. The outer gasket measures 51 mm or 2 inches. If you're unsure, simply measure your old gasket to guarantee a perfect fit before purchasing. We're committed to sustainability. Our newest batches are now packaged in 100% recyclable cardboard, reducing waste. Don't let worn-out parts affect your coffee. Replace them with these high-quality components and enjoy delicious espresso again. What we like. Specifically designed for the 1-cup Moka Express and its smaller variants. It includes 3 gaskets and a filter for this compact size. If you have a single-serve Bialetti maker and need a precise fit, this is your ideal solution. Remember to measure your old gasket to be sure. What people say. These caskets are so sturdy and fit the espresso maker very well. The material of the caskets is made as they last for a long time. Fits perfectly and rubber material is sturdy. Highly recommend. Perfect replacement for my little mocha maker. These gaskets fit perfectly perfect. Number 2. LitOrange Silicone Gasket Seal Ring for Bialetti Mocha Express. Ensure a perfect seal for your stovetop coffee maker. These replacements are designed for a snug fit, preventing leaks and ensuring optimal brewing. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, these gaskets offer a softer, safer alternative to traditional rubber. They are built to last, resisting deformation and cracking. Enjoy your coffee in any condition. These seals can withstand extreme temperatures, from -65 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring durability and performance. Specifically made for Bialetti Mocha Express, Dama, Venus, Musa 6-cup models. Please check your original gasket size before purchasing to ensure compatibility. Experience a better brew with these improved silicone seals. They provide a superior seal compared to original rubber ones, leading to richer, more flavorful coffee. This package includes 8 replacement silicone gaskets. You'll have plenty of spares to keep your coffee maker in top condition for a long time. What we like. Experience a superior seal with these food-grade silicone gaskets, designed to be softer and safer than traditional rubber. They offer excellent temperature resistance and are perfect for 6-cup Bialetti Mocha Express models and similar Venus or Musa pots. If you prioritize longevity, a leak-free experience, and a safer material, these are an excellent upgrade. What people say. First, no rubber smell at all, of course, they're silicone. Second, they're slightly thicker than the rubber rings, but they seat really well, and I think the two halves of the pot are slightly easier to separate after making coffee. Third, they're just a hair smaller and thicker, so they easily pop out when I'm cleaning the ground strainer, with the result is that it is much easier to clean. The fit was perfect. No gaps, no leaks, and my mocha works perfectly. These silicone gaskets are extremely durable. I have had one in my other Bialetti for 6 years and it is still almost like the day it was put in. Also so much easier to unscrew the pot with these instead of the rubber gaskets. Number 1. Bialetti 3-cup stovetop espresso maker replacement parts. Is your Bialetti 3-cup stovetop espresso maker not brewing like it used to? It might be time for a refresh. Ensure perfect espresso every time with these essential replacement parts. Crafted with durable white rubber and stainless steel, these parts are designed to fit your Bialetti 3-cup coffee and espresso makers perfectly. Experience the quality you expect from Bialetti. This kit includes everything you need to restore your machine's performance. You'll receive 1 replacement filter and 3 essential replacement gaskets. Replacing the gasket and filter is simple and quick. Get back to enjoying rich, authentic espresso from your favorite stovetop maker without any hassle. Specifically designed for all Bialetti 3-cup stovetop espresso and coffee makers, these parts ensure a secure fit and optimal brewing. Don't let worn-out parts stop your morning ritual. What we like. This replacement kit is tailored for Bialetti 3-cup stovetop espresso makers. It includes 3 gaskets and a filter, made with white rubber and stainless steel. If you have a 3-cup Bialetti and are looking for a standard, reliable replacement part, this is a straightforward and effective choice. What people say. Fit my 3-cup perfectly. Very please, great replacement gaskets, keeping my dear old lil pot going, very good seal. Perfect replacement gaskets for my cafetiera Bialetti. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.